Fans across the world heaved a sigh of relief as veteran actor Dharmender was discharged from hospital in a stable condition after a health scare. Earlier this week, Salman Khan, Govinda and Amisha Patel were among those who dropped by to check on the legendary actor at the hospital. Shah Rukh Khan, known for his deep affection and respect for Dharmender, arrived to personally inquire about his health and meet the family. Shah Rukh Khan's visit was more than just a courtesy, it was personal. Their bond goes back decades. During the promotion of his 2011 film Ravan, Shah Rukh had appeared on a reality show where Dharmender was one of the judges. When asked who his real-life superhero was, SRK's answer left everyone touched. He said, "All my family is Punjabi, and for us, there's only one superhero, Dharampaji. We have no other superhero." Shah Rukh even shared a touching childhood memory, recalling how he would sing Dharmender's song "Are Rafta Rafta Dekho Aankh Meri Ladi Hai" to entertain his mother while massaging her feet. Over the years, that mutual admiration between Dharmender and Shah Rukh Khan has often played out on social media too. When Dharmender took to X to wish Shah Rukh good luck for his blockbuster Jawan, he wrote, "Shah Rukh bete, wish you great luck for Jawan." SRK's reply was pure warmth. "Love you, sir. Thank you so much. We'll come over and take a tight hug." Shah Rukh has often called Dharmender his childhood screen idol. He once revealed that back in school, he'd often get in trouble for his long hair. He recalled, "My school was very strict. The principal would send me back to get a haircut, so I'd sneak off to Gold Market. Some days I'd get a Dharamji haircut, on others, a Bachchan haircut." A memory that perfectly captures the young fan who grew up to stand shoulder to shoulder with his hero.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing, you guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.